Take my life and let it be consecrated, Lord, to Thee. Take my hands and let them move at the impulse of Thy love, at the impulse of...
Una good morning, all of una wey dey lis ten to me today. My name na Williams Glory, and I bring una the Open Heavens on the Go for Pidgin. The Open Heavens Devotional na daily message book wey the General Overseer of the Redeemed Christian Church of God, Pastor E.A. Adeboye write. Today na Thursday, 8th February 2024, and today's topic na which kind container. We go see our memory verse from Matthew chapter 13, verse 49, and it talks say, na so e go be for the day wey the world go end. Angels go come separate evil people from the good people. Our Bible reading today dey for 2 Timothy chapter 2, verse 50 to 21. Make you do everything wey you fit do, so that God go see you as better person. Dey do your work well as person wey no get shame, but dey ready to explain God word wey be truth. Make you no put mouth for yeye talk, because people wey dey do those things dey far from God. Their word dey spread like disease, and na this thing happen to Hymenaeus and Philistus. Dem leave the truth come dey say resurrection don happen already, and like this dem don make some people fall from the faith. But God's strong foundation still stand, and the right put say God know Him people, and everybody wey be Christ own must stop to dey do evil. When you go rich man house, no be only gold and silver things dey there, but things wey dem use wood and clay take make still dey there too. And some dey make the house fine, and others no good at all. So if you keep yourself without fault, you go be better person wey Christ fit use as He dey do Him good work. Now the message. For today Bible reading, we see say na different kind container na im we fit see for big man house. We see say some containers dey useful, but some of them no even dey useful at all. This one fit dey make una dey imagine why big man like that go dey keep container wey no even dey useful for im house. Na this same question na im plenty people dey ask if they think about Christians today. Dem dey always dey talk say why God no fit just kill all the lie pastors dem? Why He no fit just disgrace those people wey dey use Him name do bad things to take gather money for themselves? The answer to these questions don dey already for Matthew chapter 13, verse 24 to 30. But na verse 29 and 30 na im the answer dey gangan, and e talk say, but the oga tell dem, no, if una go root the grass comot, una fit make mistake root some of the good seed too. Make the good seed and the grass grow together until harvest. That time I go tell the people wey dey harvest say, make una first root all the grass, make na tie dem come burn am, then make una come gather all the good seed, then make na put am inside my store. Baba God no dey rush take decision o. Everything wey dey do, He dey always get reason before He do am. E get some kind lie pastors dem wey the true Christians know say they be fake. Baba God kill those pastors, e fit affect the belief of those people wey dey follow them. This one mean say as dem dey comot all the shuku dem wey dey the plant, the better seed go join comot with them. No worry about the kind people wey dey church. Na Baba God by Himself go come comot the better ones from the bad ones. And if you do am finish, some people go cry sotey dem go eat their mouth for stone o. If you talk say you be Christian and na everyday you dey do bad things dey make God vex, you better change now o. If you no wan change, that one no be problem. The kind fire wey go burn you, firewood dey enter the fire everyday, so e fit hot well well. That kind person fit continue to dey enjoy all the better things wey Christians dem dey enjoy now, but God dey come with the punishment for that kind lie deceiver, and for that day, God no go hear sorry. My brethren, if you dey among those lie people dem and deceiver dem, e go better for you if you change now o. Abandon your old lifestyle wey be say na sin full am, make you come kneel down, cry to Baba God may He forgive you. Na the only way to take run comot for the kind punishment wey dey come for all those people wey dey bring shame give Baba God. The thing wey make we think for today message be say, which kind container you be for your oga house. I thank una as una lis ten to the Open Heavens on the Go for Pidgin. My name na Williams Glory. Make una enjoy the rest of una day o. Till we go meet again tomorrow. Una bye bye.
And I will be ever only all.